Amazing Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to do number 25 of the little ATCs. But I'm using playing cards, so artist trading card is actually an altered playing card. But so I'm going to be using the wonderful goodies that I had received from YourCreativeStudio, and I noticed on top of one of their packaging that it said for lucky day. And I thought it'd be really fun to just use a lucky day as the word or whatever that I put on this. So I had stuff left over from when I did my cards last time, my index cards, and I thought let's just use up some of those goodies and create something with this. And it's going to be clearly vintagey and distress, a bit like I did for the index cards, but a little bit different because it's going to be a playing card. So I hope you're doing well. Go in the description box below to find the link to the subscription box from YourCreativeStudio if you're interested, because they have wonderful goodies. I just love their box, and I'm so glad that they send me one. I can never say no when they offer it to me. It's so fun getting little presents like that. Just really fun. So I'm going to distress this because I feel like it. And then I just feel like using up whatever else I have. Like I had used up a bunch of the envelopes and things last time. Like the packaging, and so I could use one of the little flowers or something. Something that has some blue with it would be nice. Yeah, that's just a piece of paper, so something like that, because then I can put lucky day on here. And I think I will distress the edge, like put this distress ink on it. Just so it's not stark white, because I feel like it's needing something. Yeah, that's better. And then I wonder if I have any of the little labels, if I could put a little label and then put the lucky day on top of it. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how that fits. Maybe not the best of little labels. Add some little oval. Yeah, that would be better. But then if I added a little bit of blue, I think that would be even better. just to tie the blue of the is that too much if I add this? Kind of like it better with it. Okay, so I'm gonna commit to this. Anyway, it's not like these little ATCs are going anywhere. They're staying in my stash until I figure out how I'm gonna use them. If I'm gonna put them in a book or if I'm just gonna keep them loose, I have no idea yet. I guess I will find out eventually. But for now, I'm not doing anything with them. I'm just keeping them. And I figured at the end of the series, I would make, I would do a wrap-up of all the ones that I've done. And that's my goal with these. So here's my little altered playing card for today. I love it. It was so fun to use up the little scraps and things that I had on my desk and to make something with them. Always really fun. And that's it. I love you guys. Stay safe and I will see you guys soon. Bye.